Aloha everybody, Mike Drutar, Principal Broker, owner, NextHome Paradise Realty, bringing you another property tour. Today, we're going to see something that's really common but unique at the same time here in Kona, highly desirable by a lot of our buyers, in particular investor clients. I have a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home that has 2 separate living areas. We're close to town. Take a quick view around at our neighborhood. Got a view of Hualalai Mountain up there on top. Looks nice today. Very little fog. I know some people think there's a lot of fog in Kona because the volcano went off. Some days you'll have some fog, but as you can see, all the way up the mountain, pretty clear. So the thing about this house that people are going to like is that you have 2 bedrooms, 1 bath downstairs, and 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bath upstairs. So at today's borrowing rates, put your 20% down, get an investment loan, and you're going to be cash flow positive right off the bat. Don't forget, even on an investment property, you get to write off the interest of your loan. You also get to depreciate your investment for an additional tax advantage. So that's why so many people invest in real estate, no matter what the market is doing. It's a really great hedge against inflation, which is something that people get concerned about these days a little bit. We got a good yard out here, good space. We're here in Kona Heights, so we're like seriously 4 minutes from the heart of town, from like Henry Street and Queen K. You know, it's the intersection where Walmart is and Safeway. So super convenient location. Let's work our way inside this first lower level. So this is definitely a rentable space. They've done a good job. They've done a fresh paint job inside. They've put the nice 90-degree, no beveling baseboards in here as well. It's kind of the style everyone's looking for. And this kitchenette area. So why is it a kitchenette and not a kitchen? Dovetail joints, soft close, even on a rental. So it's really important. A lot of people want these 2 rental stream, 3 rental stream properties. The problem is this area is zoned single family residential. So you can't have 2 family dwellings. It has to be a single family dwelling. How do you make it a single family dwelling? What makes it a second family dwelling? This is super important. If you have a second cooking surface, so if there was a stove there or a microwave, that would make this a kitchen. Because it doesn't have that, it's not a kitchen. And because it's not a kitchen, it's not multifamily. If you have 2 stoves, then you are a multifamily dwelling, whether it's legal or not. And if it's not legal, it's an illegal multifamily dwelling. So that can cause problems when it comes time for your appraisal, because the appraiser can't see that stuff. So you gotta be real careful when you're doing some of these, if you're getting a loan in particular, that you don't have an illegal dwelling. So we have 2 bedrooms down here, plenty of room for a queen size bed in here. Got a ceiling fan up above. Plenty of windows to let in light and airflow. I like this slide-in unit that they used right here. Perfect. You see a lot of that these days. Just, you know, you can get these, slide them right in, you're ready to go. Add your mirror, add some nice lights. Kind of modernize that a little bit. I like that. And you're set. And then bedroom number 2. Plenty of room in here for a king-size bed even. I think we're looking at about, if I had to guess, I'd say about 11 by 14, 11 by 15 maybe? Maybe 14. So a good amount of space over there. And you got a slider going back out. Washer and dryer down here with utility sink. 2 more storage closets down here as well. We've got this lanai covered by the deck that's up above us on the upper level. Nice rock work, lava rock wall. Well, you gotta say that carefully. Down here. And then out to the driveway right there. I'm gonna come up the other staircase. And there are going to be some people here. We are on an open house today. Might as well tell you some of the details here. This is our listing, listed by Cindy Whittemore and Gerry Rott here at NextHome Paradise Realty in Kona. We are listed at $797,500, and this one is going to get a ton of attention. It will not last a week. I can guarantee you that. Really big covered lanai out here. I like that. So we're looking at, well, we can count the tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a half tiles, so almost 10 feet. Over here by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Looks like by about 21. Got a great view of the mountain up there again. Even got a little peekaboo ocean view out here. So good size. We have a slider that goes in to this bedroom. Another slider that goes into that bedroom there. But we'll work around and come in through the front door. So you have a staircase on this side. We have one on the other side. Got another little sitting area out here. Another little covered lanai. View into town with some ocean view there. So pretty much everything you need. Checking all the boxes. And let's work our way inside. So our main living area here, plenty of space. We got it cleaned out and ready to go for you. I really like the open beam ceilings they have here and the whitewashing effect here on the ceilings. Looks really nice. Massive ceiling fan moving a ton of air. Actually, that's a gorgeous. I might have to get one of those. We're going to replace our ceiling fans. That's a good look. Plenty of space in here, and then we do have our full kitchen. So we have white appliances. There's your stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, and a really nice view right here in the kitchen. Looking right towards town. Boy, I would probably see if I could offer that neighbor a few $1,000s to cut that monkey pod. And that would even open it up more. So we got some original cabinets in here. Fully functional, but if you want to replace them, I wouldn't argue. We've got 4 mica countertops. And then coming in through the hallway where we have our 2 bedrooms. Plenty of windows. Slider out to the lanai. That lanai wraps all the way around this upper deck here. And then you may want to consider just doing that same sliding unit they had downstairs and putting it right here. Got a little linen closet right beside us. Over here we have a bathroom. I like the walk-in shower, straight in. I'm kind of, for me personally, I'm just over the tub where you have to step over. Just seems like a waste of space. And then our last bedroom over here. So in this market right now, you could get over $2,000 for this upper unit. I would think probably darn close to that for the bottom unit too. That's how tight the rental market is. So then you look at the cost of borrowing. About every $100,000 you borrow is going to cost you about $400 a month. So let's say you came in at hypothetically $800,000. Let's just say you brought $200,000 down. You're borrowing $600,000. 6 times 4 is 24. Your cost of borrowing is principal and interest $2,400 a month, and you're pulling in $4,000. That's rental flow. That's cash flow on rental property. And again, it doesn't even take into account the tax advantages that you get as well. So that's why you see so many people doing it. So now you get a house, basically, that's mostly paid for by someone else. That's a nice deal. Sit on that for 20 years and you are set. All right, my 3 favorite things about the property. Number 1, obviously that you have 2 rental streams. You got a rental up and a rental down. This is what a lot of people are looking for. Number 2, the fact that they don't have a cooking service downstairs means that this is lendable. Believe it or not, that is a bit uncommon. People will often have the stove in there, and you'll see it sometimes in the photos. And then number 3, it is so close to town and all the shopping, a lot of employment opportunities. Really, really great features to have on this home that's going to end up being really good for someone. All right, I enjoyed showing this to you. Hope you enjoyed it. I got more videos in the corner. See you soon.